what's up? What's up, YouTube? Oh man, it's a nice Saturday morning. It's been raining. They said there's gonna be some more rain in a couple hours, so I got a schedule to keep, and I'm supposed to put some bone meal in my stuff today. So I'm getting out here. I got 2 hours. I got 2 hours for the rain coming, which is what I want, because I wanted to wash everything in. So I'm gonna get moving here. I use either or. It don't matter to me. It's just bone meal. This is more powdery, which probably breaks down faster. But this works just fine to me. I ain't clocking it. I'm gonna go ahead and use this up because I got 2 bags of it left. And I caught these on sale before they stopped that little fertilizer thing here in my area. So I'm gonna save this one, use this one. So now, go out here and get started. I'll probably speed this up for y'all so y'all don't get all bored and shit. Oops, my bad. Y'all don't get all bored watching me do this. We'll start off with one and then we'll go from there. Alright y'all, so we're gonna start right here with the big girl. Brazilian. My grand call it the tomato plant. As you see, she's fruiting. She's fruiting and everything, so that's the perfect time to get bone meal. Kind of keep the ball rolling because they're pulling it right now. And that's a 30-gallon pot. She's been in there going on 2 years now. I need to put a stake in there and pull her back. But I ain't finna do that today. I really don't want to be out here today, y'all. We done went to breakfast already at 8, so I'm really ready to go lay my butt down, but I got a schedule to keep, and the weather is on my favor. So instead of talking to y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. Ain't no measuring cups going on around here, y'all. I'm eyeballing. Straight eyeball. If you watch my other video, and you know I got a wheelbarrow full of sifted compost and some old stuff that I re-amended with the compost. So I'll take some of that and cover up the I gotta show y'all that. Look how pretty that is. That's what we're talking about, y'all. Cloud jump, rain take care of the rest. So yeah, I'm gonna walk around here and do all these pots, but that's what's happening over here in Pepperidge land today.
One,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4.
You know what the hardest part about making these videos is figuring out the angles to show everybody what it is you're putting in these pots and what you're doing as you work. I'm gonna have to get my son to start following me around with a camera or something, because trying to figure this out is taking all day. And, I gotta beat this rain. So if you sitting there and you watching it, you set your soil up right, and you put your plant in the pot, and the plant is performing. It's showing up. It's got you thinking you really know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Once your plant doing all that, don't forget, you got to keep feeding that pot. That what you put in there, that's probably gone. You got to stay on top of that, or you're gonna be going through some lows, highs and lows with your plant. Keep your pot fed, stay on a regular schedule. Your plant stay good for however long your seasons is. But yeah, you start seeing nitrogen deficiencies and whatnot. That's because that plant that got there, that sucked all that out that pot. Pot only got so much in it, man. You get through sucking on that bottle, I guarantee it go to the bottom and get empty. Ain't nothing else coming out of it, no matter how far you hold it up. It's gonna stop dripping. So yeah, man, these pots, they go empty faster than you might think. And down here in Florida, your plant is under stress already from the heat, the humidity. If you don't think it is, you come stand next to that plant. In fact, you ain't gotta stand. I'll let you get a chair, and you sit there from sun up to sundown, and you get you a bottle of water, and that's it. Nothing else, just that bottle of water from sun up to sundown. You sit right there, don't move. See how you feel. For one day, and that's just one day. Yeah. So you don't stay on top of these pots, the plant gonna tell you, it'll let you know. You can believe that. Trust and believe, it's gonna tell you. The question is you gonna listen? So yeah, I try not to wait. I try not to wait till it got something to say. That's it. I knew my schedule. I ain't trying to wait till I see the plant drooping or something and then try to. I know my schedule. I know how long any kind of fertilizer or whatnot lasts. And I know what size pots I got these in. So I know this plant is sucking it down. So it don't take a rocket scientist. You see, because when I do the math and I start doing my money and I start figuring, I sold X amount of metric tons of compost at X amount of dollars per pound. Now, I'm going by what I put in those bags, what those bags say on them, because that's what I sold. That's what I got paid for. So I don't sit back and say, I sold X amount of tons of boom boom, but it was X amount of cubic metric tons of wood chip. I don't say that. I don't even count that, because as far as I'm concerned, I sold you the wood chip too. I count that net weight on that bag, whether it was wood chip in there or not. I don't say wood chip in there, do I? I don't know, but I don't count that. I don't exclude that from my tally when I count my money about how much of that I sold to you. I don't discriminate on how much of it was wood chip. I said 5 cubic metric tons, then that's what I sold you. If it turns out that out of that 5, 2 of it was wood chip, and what I care. See, it don't. You ain't gonna even notice it. You won't even notice it. Because the bag you bought only had a 1/4 pound of wood chip in it. That wasn't enough to set off no bells with you. So I'm good. You happy? I can't help that your plant's yellowing. I might have overdid it, and since the wood chips weren't done anyway, oops, my bad. So yeah, y'all might want to start sifting your bag soil, your wood, your compost. Yeah, I think you will be surprised. You might be surprised at how less nitrogen you need to be throwing into your stuff. How much further your amendments go. How much better results you get. I mean, wood chips are good, I think. If you trying to change some soil, you got some bad soil, man. You got a bunch of clay. I seen people, they got to do what they got to do because of the area. But they're working overtime. They're putting that down there, banking on it, breaking down, and over the years, it'll get better and better. And I get that. I'm talking about what y'all paying anywhere between $5 to $6 a bag for, and then you wondering why your plants is doing what it's doing to your plants. You gotta check your bags. That's all I can tell you. Check your bags, because you might find yourself switching brands of certain brands. You might see a consistent amount of wood chip. Hey, spilling the good stuff. So, see how green the grass is right here. But yeah, you might find a significant amount of wood chip that you could take in your hand and smell it and know it ain't broke down, it ain't ready, it's hot. But yeah, so that's on you though. Each individual has to govern their own garden. And I heard somebody say, you can't tell me how to do my garden. I'm doing my garden how I want to do my garden. Right about it. I'm just pointing some stuff out to maybe help in some of your decision making and maybe solve a couple problems you might be having with your plants. But it might not be what I'm talking about that's the problem. It could be anything. I'm just pointing out some stuff I saw. How you govern your garden is your business. I got my hands full here. I sure as heck don't want to have to direct another one. But I do enjoy the community. It's fun. Meet some cool people. And finding out a whole bunch of information about stuff you can grow that I didn't know. the trade. Get the trade. Get the trade. Get the trade. I like that part. You know, gardeners being able to trade stuff, seeds, plants, produce, all that good stuff. So yeah, this is cool. All right, let me see that. Boom, 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 boom. I got all that pots done. I got one more pot to do today. Maybe two more. We'll see. All right, y'all. Thanks for checking this out. Like, subscribe. Chances are, if you're watching, I'm already subscribed to you. I just learned something already. Later. Your boy got it done right on time, y'all. Yes, sir. Got it done. Just in time.